Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Bluehost SEO tools to boost traffic. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you want the best plan, visit the link in the description box. Now, what you're going to do, first, you need to optimize content with keywords. Every bit of content on your site, from bios to about pages to post pages and media, and offer opportunities for SEO, including keywords, especially long tail or keyword phrases in all kind of contents, as well as titles, tags, and descriptions can help to increase visibility naturally in an organic search. So first, you need to use SEO plugin complete solution. WordPress itself offers many ways to optimize a site for search, but that can be a time-consuming process. A number of SEO plugins offer comprehensive advanced SEO management for every part of your site. We're gonna go ahead to get to know more about the SEO tools that you can use to optimize your site. All right, so if you want basically all-in-one SEO pack, although it's not quite as the same as Yoast, this is arguably the second best overall SEO plugin. You can use this one, right? Or you can use Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress. All right, we can go ahead to the official website, all right, and you're gonna be able to get to know more about their feature, right, and download this plugin on your WordPress. Okay, you can generate automatic meta tag generation, title optimization, XML sitemap support to make your site more readable to search engines and prevent duplicate content from being created. You can use SEO processor. This plugin works under the same premise as Yoast, an all-in-one SEO pack, providing comprehensive on-page SEO analysis as well as suggestions for improvement. As SEO processor is ideal for helping you make the small tweaks and adjustments that will boost your overall SEO health. We're gonna go ahead to the official website of SEO processor SEO presser, and then we can see how it works and we can see the demonstration. And if you like what you see, please start with the new plan. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.